We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at a studio apartment. We're in 7J. Let's go on in. The kitchen is on the right. So you can see there's the refrigerator, the sink, the microwave, the stove and oven. There's cabinets and drawers. We'll take a look at the bathroom, which is across the hall before we go into the main part of the apartment. The bathroom is the same as we've seen in the other floors. So there's the tub and shower with a sliding door, the vanity, the toilet, and there's a medicine cabinet over on the right. And as we go into the apartment, we're on floor 7 here, so we'll have a nice view. As we go over, let's take a look. Here's the full-size bed. We'll go over by the window. You can see that this one has its air conditioner that's built in underneath the windows. Look at that. That's a beautiful view we have up here on floor 7 in this building. So we're facing to the west, so we have some really pretty valley views. That's nice in all the seasons here in Ithaca. Here is a look at the dining table and chairs. We want to show you the other furnishings. The dresser, the bookshelf. We'll take a peek in the closet. So the shape and size of these apartments is the same on all the floors. The difference will be what you see out the window. And in floors 7, 8, and 9, you do have that air conditioner underneath the window instead of in one of the side windows. So you do get to open both of those large side windows there. So that's a look at a studio apartment here in Collegetown Plaza. We're on the 7th floor of this 9-floor building. We're facing west. The building's located at 111 Dryden Road right here in central Collegetown, and we're just 1 block from campus.